We're gonna go to sleep?
Go swimming.
Oh, we're gonna go swimming. Are we going to Seaworld?
Seaworld.
When you pull into the parking lot, you're gonna go to the left of the awnings and you're gonna see section 3. That's gonna be the closest that you can get in general parking that's pretty much the same as preferred. Once we make it through security, we go to the left and that's Discovery Point. Even on a busy Saturday, that area is pretty empty. You have this awesome interaction with the dolphins there, and there's also an underground viewing of the dolphin area, as well as an aquarium. Did you find Ursula? After Discovery Point, we went back through the main entrance and we went and had some lunch. I typically pack my daughter's lunch because egg allergy and just kind of overall, she's a very picky eater. So this seems to be the best option for us. Philip and I have a go-to. It's called Spanky's, and you can see it as soon as you walk through the entrance. And it is the loaded baked potato fries. They are so good. After lunch, we headed to the splash pad area, and we probably spent a good hour to an hour and a half playing around here.
Are you excited?
After playing at the splash pad, we headed over to the main stage and had a meet and greet with Grover. We still had a little bit of time, so we went and hopped in line to catch a ride before the block party.
Count down with me from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get this party started, shall we? Clap along.
Just love me cookies, they never make me frown. But every time we eat them, makes me feel like getting down. It makes me want to move, so people, here's your chance. like you're a cookie monster every time you dance. Jump the jig.
The penguin encounter is one of our favorite places to go to get out of the heat after being in the sun for several hours at a time and just kind of hang out with the penguins.
Ready? Are you ready? Holding your hands? I got you. It's time.
I don't know why it is. Every single time I ride the carousel, my horse gets stuck all the way up at the top and I struggle getting down.
Ainsley, did you have fun? Yeah? What was your favorite thing?
Swimming.
We went to the splash pad, didn't we? That was fun. What was your favorite thing, Dad?
Loaded baked potato fries.
Ooh, loaded baked potato fries. Those were good. I don't know. I don't know what my favorite thing was. I did have fun, Ainsley. I think I liked the merry-go-round. How my horse decided to stop all the way up. That was so fun. So fun day.